Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome to my channel. This is Jen Pardillo. So today we are going to Top Moon Cross Island. We're going to explore. Magsusolo adventure lang po ako today without the group. So today is August 20, 2022 Saturday. So anyway, my normal holiday is Sunday and dahil po ay may lakad na yung employer natin, so tayo po ay nag-day off ng Saturday. So we are arriving to Top Moon Pier.
Hello guys, good morning. Today we are here in Top Moon and I am just alone today. So we have to explore alone and let's see kung saan tayo makapunta ngayon. So, nandito tayo sa ferry ng Top Moon. So let's go. See you later.
And now we are going to find the Tin Hau Temple here in Top Moon. So from Tin Hau Temple, we can find a way going to Balance Rock. Let's go guys, samahan niyo ako. And now we are here in Tin Hau Temple. This is the way going up. So the Tin Hau Temple is on the top. Let's go up there. Yes, we're here. Right here. So, let's find a way going up. Hanapin natin yung daan papuntang Balance Rock dito banda. So, okay. Magkuha muna tayo ng konting video dito banda. I show you guys. Ito po yung way niya. Diyan. So, lakad lang tayo diretso. So, dito po pupunta yung way. Okay guys, dito na yung way, okay? Way papunta sa tamang tao. Okay, let's go! And we find out there is a new pavilion here. So, narinig ko sa mga Chinese na dumaan rito, ito daw ay bagong pavilion which is before wala daw ito. So, let's have to sit here and oh, may mga tayo pa ng baka ba to, kalabaw. Okay. At napakainit ng araw. Let's have a seat first and we will eat our breakfast. So tara guys, join kayo sa akin. Kakain na tayo ng breakfast. At ito may kape ako. At may dala rin akong tinapay. So kakain na ang gutom na Inday. Sige na, nagutom na yan. Yan pa, kumain pa ulit. Ano ba itong kinakain niya? Yan, gutom na gutom talaga siya. At yan, init na init. Super init talaga today guys. Kaya siguro maganda dito pumunta pag winter din. Pero mas maganda din pag summer, makukuha mo yung magandang view. Okay, now we are leaving the pavilion. So let's check. Balance Rock. Hindi masyadong maano. Yan siya. Oh. Ito yung way. Closer natin. So yung way papuntang Balance Rock is there. So ito yung bagong pavilion dito. Bago daw ito sabi ng mga Chinese. So, let's take photo from this part. It was nice. Anyway. Okay. So, nakikita yun. So, yung baba ng pavilion is ang Tin Hau Temple. So, now we are going. Wala, hindi ba ako natalalit? So, ito yung way. Okay. Itong yung way papuntang Balance Rock. So we are going to Balance Rock. We will find out that where is the Balance Rock here. So ito yung street. So we will check every. So where's my phone and my mask?
Ano inang galabaw nga daw liso sang kakao. Unday bika lang tawang taang imuhita. Ano inang gaputi nga daw lamuti. Yara ako kilala isa kagwapang nga dalaga. Apirmi lang pakuhit sa lalaki. Hindi nagid mapunggan ining kalangsang barat yagot. Sa adlaw-adlaw na lang lain ang bulidon. Isasadok kabes may mapaspok nga ugayong. Sa pihak sang balay nakita ko si Inday. Nagmay si Inday. Tuwad lang tawang taang imo sama. Ano inang galabaw nga daw liso sang kakao. Inday bika lang tawang taang imo hita. Ano inang daputi nga daw lamuti.
Dancing with the beat with DJ Remix. Mindanao, make it slow.
Wala isyu kundi panglutkot lamang. Permi mo lang makita nagatuwad sa higadalan. Isang sa tindahan, sige, patay luhod lapang.